Hello everyone, this week's focus is copper. Suddenly everyone's paying attention to the red metal after that monstrous bull run towards almost $12,000. But then copper cooled off. Technically though, this pause makes a lot of sense. So let's check the technicals. On the daily chart, the uptrend is very much intact, but what stands out is how clean the move has been. The mid-year correction we can see here and the rally lined up almost perfectly with the 261.8% Fibonacci extension, which comes in around 11,800. When price respects level this precisely, it usually signals institutional participation. Fundamentally as well, the backdrop still supports the move. Goldman's upgrade, easing tariff concerns, and a broader recovery across industrial metals. Now let's focus on the pullback. On the 1 hour chart, after almost tagging the psychological level of 12,000, copper needed a breather. On the hourly chart, the momentum cracked. We can see this uptrend from November 24 broke, sending prices down toward 11,400. That's the weakest level we saw in 10 days. At the moment, copper is stuck in a range. Support sits near 11,400 while resistance is building around 11,800, which marks the lower boundary of the broken uptrend. What's important here is how the uptrend lines up with the 50-period moving average, reinforcing this area as a tough zone for bulls to reclaim. Now, the key levels to watch. The setup is fairly straightforward. A clean break above 11,800 would put bulls back in control and reopening the path toward 12,000 and potentially 12,150. It's the next Fibonacci extension zone. But on the downside, we need a clear break below 11,400. Then copper could slip into a deeper correction toward 11,000 where stronger, higher time frame support comes in. For now, a range-bound move between 11,400 and 11,800 looks like the most likely scenario until a fresh catalyst drives the next breakout. We still see 2026 as the early phase of a broader commodities supercycle, so any breakout from this range is worth watching closely. Until then, the short-term swings could offer plenty of opportunities for active traders.